Today's numerical is find the least value of a such that the function f given by f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing on open interval 1 open bracket 1 solution. Given f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. d by dx of f of x is f dash x. Then d by dx of x square plus ax plus 1. d by dx of u plus v plus w. d by dx of u plus d by dx of v plus d by dx of w. So d by dx of x square is 2x. In the place of x, x only there. Then d by dx of x is 1. Plus a is constant quotient. Keep it same. d by dx of x is 1. Plus d by dx of constant derivative is g. So f dash x is equal to 2x plus c. Now we want to find the value of a. If the function is strictly increasing in the interval 1 2, so x belongs to open interval 1 2 means 1 is less than x is less than 2. So here f dash x is equal to 2x plus a. So multiply by 2 this inequality. So 2 into 1, 2 is less than equal to 2x is less than equal to less than 2 into 2 is 4. Then add a to this inequality. So 2 plus a is less than 2x plus a is less than 4 plus a. So 2 plus a is less than f dash x. This 2x plus a is nothing but f dash x is less than 4 plus a. If f is strictly increasing, then f dash x greater than 0. Now we want to find f dash x. F of x is strictly increasing on this interval means the least value of a means that is 2 plus a greater than or equal to 0. So a is greater than or equal to minus 2. Therefore, a value, least value of a is minus 2. Next numerical. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to root over 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Solution. We want to find the point on the curve. That point I am taking xy. Let pxy be any point on the given curve y is equal to root over 4x minus 3 minus 1. Then dy by dx is called slope of the curve. So given slope is, the curve slope is 2 by 2. So now differentiate y is equal to root over 4x minus 3 minus 1 with respect to x on both these sides. D by dx of y is dy by dx is equal d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Here in the place of x, x not there. Then again differentiate 4x minus 3 with respect to x. So d by dx of 4x is 4 minus d by dx of constant is 0. 4 minus 0. So the curve is 4. Minus d by dx of constant derivative is 0. So dy by dx is equal 2 cancels here 1 time, 2 cancels here 2 times. So dy by dx is equal to root over 2 by root over 4x minus 3. But that slope is given. Slope is given. Given slope is 2 by 2. So that is dy by dx is called slope of the curve at this point. So due to that reason 2 by root over 4x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 2. Then 2 cancels here 1 time, 2 cancels here 1 time. Then cross multiply. 1 into root over 4x minus 3 is equal to root over 4x minus 3 is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. To find x value, so first remove this square root. Squaring on both these sides. So squaring on both these sides means 4x minus 3 is equal to 3 square means 9. 4x is equal to 9 plus 3. 4x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 4. So 12 by 4 means point lies on this curve. If x is equal to 3, if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to, so x is equal to 3 means root over 4 into 3, 12 minus 3 minus 1. So y is equal to 12 minus 3 means 9. Root over 9 means 3 minus 1. So 2. Y is equal to. Therefore required point is, what is that? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Next numerical. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being the curve y is equal to, or b to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. Let p x y be any point on the given curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here slope means slope of the tangent is there. So now we want to find pxy be any point on this curve means dy by dx is called slope of the tangent or slope of the curve at this point. So differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. Then dy by dx of y is dy by dx plus 2 is constant coefficient, keep it same. D by dx of 1 by x minus 3. Now it seems to be the formula d by dx of 1 by x. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Means minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. In the place of x not there. Then d by dx of x minus 3 is, d by dx of x is 1. Minus d by dx of 3 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Is equal to d by dx of 0 is 0. D by dx, so plus into minus is minus 2 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. But slope is 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2. Substitute this value in the above equation. We get two minus 2 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. This implies this value should be other side. Minus value should be other side, means plus 2 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 means 2 by 1. So then cross multiply. So 2 into x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into 1. So this implies x minus 3 whole square is equal to, this into 2 should be side, 2 by 2, 1. So x minus 3 is equal to root over 1. Root over 1 means plus or minus 1. So x minus 3 is equal to plus 1 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. X minus 3 is equal to plus 1, x is equal to 4. X minus 3 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 3 minus 1, 2. If x is equal to 4, if x is equal to 4, then y is equal. So then y is equal. Substitute x value here 4. 4 means y plus 2 by 4 minus 3, 1. 2 by 1 means 2. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to how much? Minus 2. Therefore, point on the curve is 4 comma minus 2. At this point, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at 4 minus 2 with the slope 2 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is equal to plus 2. M into, M is slope of the curve, 2 into x minus x1 is 4. So y plus 2 is equal to 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 4, 8. So this implies 2x plus y shift the side minus y, and plus 2 is also shift the side, already minus 8 there, minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. And one more equation is, if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, then y is equal. So pxyb lies on this curve. So substitute x is equal to 2 here. Then y plus 2 by 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 means minus 1. 2 by minus 1 means minus 2. So therefore y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 we get. So substitute x is equal to 2 here. 2 by 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 means minus 1. 2 by minus 1 means minus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to. Therefore, point on the curve is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. At this point, we want to find the equation of the tangent. So, equation of the tangent at 2, 2 with slope 2 is. So, equation of the line passing to the point x1 by 1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2 is equal to m is 2 into x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 2, 4. So this implies 2x minus y, minus 2 shift that side, plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2 is equal to 0. So required lines are one line is 2x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 and another line is 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Next number, find the points on the curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. So tangents are parallel to x-axis, tangents are parallel to y-axis means such points I am taking x1. So solution of this problem, let Px1 be any point on the given curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Then divide by dx is what? Slope of the tangent. So now differentiate this equation. X square by 4 means 1 by 4 into x square. So 1 by 4 is a constant coefficient, keep it set. d by dx of x square is 2x plus y square by 25 means 1 by 25 into d by dx of y square means 2y. Here in the place of x not there, then d by dx of y we will write it as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of constant, derivative is 0. So now we want to find the slope of the tangent, means that is dy by dx we want to find. So keep dy by dx terms on one side, remaining on the other side. So due to that reason, this is the dy by dx, keep this one this side. So 2y by 25 into dy by dx is equal, this plus value shift that side, plus 2x by 4 means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2. So this is 1 into x by 2, x by 2 shift that side. So minus x by 2. So dy by dx is equal, dy by dx is equal minus x by 2 into this y value shift that side into 25. This into value shift this side. So this is 2. So this value is nothing but minus 25 by 2 into 2 is 4 x by 1. So slope of the tangent is here minus 25 by 4 x by 1. Minus 25 by 4 into x by 1. But this tangent is parallel to x-axis. if any line parallel to x-axis means slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. First point. Tangent parallel to x-axis. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. But dy by dx is equal to here minus 25 by 4 into x by y is equal to 0. So this by value should that side. So this is minus 25x is equal to 4y into 0 is 0. So x is equal to 0 by this into minus 25 this side by minus 25. 0 by something. So x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, then y value. So pxy with any point on this curve. So substitute x is equal to 0 in the given equation. So by writing x is equal to 0 here, 0 square, 0 by 4, 0 by something is 0 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. So y square is equal to 25. So y is equal to plus or minus 5. If the tangent parallel to the x-axis, then required points are 0 plus 5 and 0 minus 5. If the tangents are parallel to x-axis, so parallel to x-axis means here x is equal to 0, we get. So if x is equal to 0, then y values are plus or minus 5. So tangents are parallel to x-axis, then required points are 0, 5 and 0 minus 1. And one more thing is that if the tangents are parallel to y-axis, so take that point. If tangents are parallel to y-axis, then slope of y-axis is not defined. That is dy by dx is equal to, we'll write 1 by 0. So then write dy by dx is equal to here minus 25 by 4 into x by y is equal to 1 by 0. Then cross multiply 4y into 1. 4y is equal to 0 into minus 25x. So 0. So 4y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Substitute in the given term. If y is equal to 0, then x square by 4 plus 0 square, 0 by 25, 0 is equal to 1. So this implies x square by 4 is equal to 1, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So if the tangents are parallel to y-axis, then required points are, if the tangents are parallel to y-axis, then required points are. So 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. Next numerical. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. X is not equal to that x is equal to 10. Solution. Given curve is y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. So dy by dx is called slope of the curve. So differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. Then dy by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x minus 1 by x minus 2. So u and v are functions in x. dy by dx of u by v. Use that formula. So here v square means denominator square. V means denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. So this is x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 1, d by dx of x 1 minus d by dx of constant derivative change minus of x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 2 means d by dx of u minus v, d by dx of u minus d by dx of v. d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of constant derivative g by x minus 2 whole square. So here 1 minus 0, 1 into x minus 2 is x minus 2. So here also 1 minus 0, 1 into minus of x minus 1. So minus of x minus 1 means minus x, minus of minus 1 is plus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. So plus x minus x gets cancelled. So this value is equal to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. So slope of the curve dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. But we want to find the slope of tangent. So slope of tangent at x is equal to 10 means then slope of the tangent at x is equal to 10. That is dy by dx at x is equal to 10. Substitute in dy by dx wherever x is there in the place of x is equal to 10. So this is minus 1 by x means 10 minus 2 whole square. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 square is 64. So required tangent slope is minus 1 by 64.